Well, I told you guys when I got it done that I'd do an update for you. Coolant's topped off, dual clutch fluids topped off on the transmission, the catalytic converter's in, PTU's in. What a pain in the ass, honestly. If you don't do these all the time, you're gonna have some choice words to say. Now we're ready to fire it up. Everything's tight. Lower control arm, CV axle, axle nut, wheel studs, Brembo caliper on this side, exhaust clamps. Everything's good. So I'll fire it up and check for leaks and things like that. Well, here we go. Like I got it. Ain't leaking. Let it run here for a little bit and get hot. Is that the air filter making that sound? Holy fuck.
Yeah, you put your hand over it, it stops.
Oh yeah. That air filter sucks a lot in this RS.
Well, when you close the hood, it seals.
Smell the cat? Starting to get hot right now. Look at the exhaust up there by the window. A little steam coming off the catalytic converter. Alright, I'm going to let this thing run, warm up. I'm going to clear codes, reset, keep alive memory. So far running good, very quiet compared to some of the other EcoBoost motors. Seems like the RS motors are very, very quiet compared to them. It's the 2.3 liter. They're not as clattery, I should say, as the other motors. I'm going to lift it back up in the air and get these lower covers back on there. And then we get to go test drive in the snow. Well, the good thing is that oil line's sealed. Right there on the bottom of the turbo. Before you could watch it drip out of there. Everything's dry now. Lines are nice there, nothing leaking down here. The only thing we can do now is put the cover on and drive it. Bolts and everything are in. Exhaust is secure. Hanger there. Hanger there. Two hangers in the front. Bolts are in. Covers on. Clips are in. If you leave these fiber pieces off going down the road right at about 35-40 mile an hour, and you don't put those couple clips in there that hold that in right there and right there, you will vibrate the hell out of this car. It'll sound like this car is coming apart. It'll literally sound like the drive shaft's coming out of it just from these two pieces right here, with one of them flapping, so be very careful. Let's put the cover on and go drive it. First time in the snow for me in one of these. I'm gonna drive without focusing on recording, just so I could be safe, and I'll let you guys know how it goes afterwards. 30,027 miles. All right, just got back. 33,036 miles. No check engine lights, no nothing. Vehicle's driving absolutely phenomenal, flawless in this this weather. Such a great vehicle to drive. So, job well done. Customer concern fixed. Give him his vehicle back. He's been waiting long enough for it, right? So we shall see if that oil leak is just the oil feed to the turbo, like I could visually see it dripping from when it came in, or maybe the front cover has to be done next as well. But anyway, that is this repair is complete. Thanks guys. Thank you for watching.